Welcome to the Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Standard 7 Subject Geography Lesson number 6 Natural Regions Revision Video number 36. Dear children, from the last video we have started the revision of the lesson number 6 Natural Regions. In today's video we are going to continue the second part of the revision. In that we are going to have one table, their region, location and extent of that region, and the climate of the specific region is given. So first, tundra region. Between 65 degree to 90 degree parallels, Greenland, North Canada, North Europe and North Asia. Climate: mean summer temperature 10 degrees Celsius, mean winter temperature approximately 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, mean annual rainfall 50 to 300 millimeter, and very cold climate. Next, Taiga region, approximately between 55 degree and 65 degree north parallels, from Alaska to the Atlantic coast parts of Eurasia. Summer temperature 15 degree to 20 degree Celsius, winter temperature below 0 degree Celsius, mean annual rainfall between 300 and 500 millimeter, rainfall in the summer, snowfall in winter. Grassland, steppes and prairies. Between 30 to 55 degree north and south parallels in the interior parts of the continents. Steppes Eurasia, Wales South Africa, Pampas South America, prairies North America, Downs Australia, etc. Summer temperature around 27 degrees Celsius, winter temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, mean annual rainfall 400 to 600 millimeter, rainfall mostly during summers. Next we have hot desert region, between 20 degree and 30 degree north and south parallels. In the western parts of continents, Sahara, North Africa, Colorado, North America, Atacama, South America, Kalahari, South Africa, Thar, Asia, etc. Mean summer temperatures 30 degree to 45 degrees Celsius. Mean winter temperature 20 degree to 25 degrees Celsius. And tremendous heat and very low rainfall, and nights are very cold there. Grassland, southern type, between 5 degree to 20 degree north and south parallels in both the hemisphere. Savannah, Africa, Queensland, Australia and Parkland, Africa, Lawns and Campos, South America, and other grasslands. Summer temperatures around 35 degrees Celsius, winter temperatures around 24 degrees Celsius, rainfall around 250 to 1000 millimeter, hot and humid summer, warm and dry winter. Equatorial region, between 5 degree north and 5 degrees south of the equator. Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Guinea, Congo Basin, Amazon Basin. Summer temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius, annual rainfall between 2500 and 3000 millimeter, high heat and rainfall throughout the year because of hot and humid climate. Water later decomposes leading to disease. Again we have here natural vegetation, animal life and human life. About it we are going to study the table here. Short-lived water life, short grassland, short grass, small shrubs, flowers, leeches, moss. Animal life of that region, caribou, reindeer, etc., polar bears, foxes, vultures, and seal. Animals with soft, thick, and fur. Human life, hunting and fishes, hide tents, igloo, timpic houses, use of sledges, Eskimo people through life, population distribution highly sparse. Coniferous forest leaves are narrow, pointed branches leaning towards the ground. Wood is light and soft. Shrubs, fir, pine, redwood, etc. Then animal life have soft and thick fur. Caribous, elks, ermine, beavers, silver fox, minks, bears, etc. Population is less. Lumbering and hunting are major occupations there. Few agrarian activities. Extensive grass ranches are seen. Short grasses growing in lumps. Grass gets dried up in winter. Elder polar trees are found. Wildlife includes deer, horses, dogs, wolves, bisons, rabbits, hares, kangaroos, dingoes, etc. Domesticated animals like sheep, goat, cattle, horse, donkeys are also found. Rearing animals is the main occupation. Earlier, people had a nomadic life, lived in high tents, yurts. Kyrgyz people are no more nomadic, now stay in well-built house, grow wheat. Then thorny bushes with hardly any leaves. Leaves are narrow, oily, have thick bark. Once moisture in the soil is consumed, plants die. Examples: cactus, sisal, plum, date palm, etc. Camels survive for days without water. Number of animals living on the ground is less. Daytime live inside the ground, for example, snakes, rats, lizards, scorpions, etc. Domesticate animals like horse, donkey, sheep, oxen, etc. Bedouins, Sahara, Bushmen, Kalahari, Aborigines, Australia, most of the needs get fulfilled through animals. Agriculture is combined to river valleys and oases. Tall and thick grass, height of grass around 6 meter elephant grass. It's called. Trees are rare and have umbrella like canopy. Examples: Acacia, Evac, Sisal, pineapple, cactus, etc. Large number of herbivorous and carnivorous animals. Nature has gifted them with speedy legs. Skin of the animals has colorful spots or stripes blends. Example: lion, cheetah, hyenas, wolf, zebra, giraffe, elephant, rhino, wild ox, buffalo, kangaroo, emu, etc. Houses are simple with mud walls and thatched roof. Without windows, short in height and dome-shaped huts called kraals. Hunting and rearing are main occupations. Example: main tribes include Zulu, Hausa, Maasai, etc. Dense evergreen forest. Variety of trees are bushes. Swampy land. Tall hardwood trees. Examples: mahogany, greenheart, rosewood, ebony, etc. A great variety in animals in mostly lands: crocodiles, anaconda, and hippopotamus, etc. Animals, birds living on trees, example chimpanzee, gorilla, hornbill, etc. Poisonous insects such as the test fly. Human settlements are few. Human life is dependent on nature. Population is mostly tribal. Houses are built on the trees. Tribes like Pygmies, Africa, Boro, Indians, Semang, etc. So dear children, in today's video, we are going to see this much only revision. In the next video, we are going to have the third part of the revision. Do you understand the concept and revise at home? Thank you.